Welcome to Naushima, a hidden gem in Japan's Seto Inland Sea. Known for its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and vibrant art scene, Naushima is a paradise for travelers seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. Naushima's beauty is unparalleled. With its pristine beaches, lush greenery, and crystal-clear waters, the island offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The island's landscape is dotted with contemporary art installations, blending nature and creativity in perfect harmony. The culture of Naushima is deeply rooted in its history and traditions. The island is home to charming fishing villages where locals still practice age-old customs. Visitors can immerse themselves in the local way of life, experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the island's residents. Naushima's cultural heritage is celebrated through various festivals and ceremonies. The island hosts traditional events such as the Naushima Matsuri, where locals and visitors come together to enjoy music, dance, and delicious food. The Obon Festival is another significant event, where lanterns are floated on the water to honor the spirits of ancestors. No visit to Naushima is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Here are the top 10 foods you must try. Sanuki udon, a regional specialty, these thick, chewy noodles are a must-try. Sea bream, freshly caught and prepared in various styles. Olive beef, tender beef from cows fed with olive pulp. Tempura, lightly battered and fried seafood and vegetables. Sashimi, fresh slices of raw fish, a true delicacy. Takoyaki, octopus-filled savory balls. Kagawa sushi, local sushi with a unique twist. Miso soup, a comforting and flavorful soup. Katsuo no tataki, lightly seared bonito fish. Taimeshi, rice cooked with sea bream. And don't forget to try these top 10 drinks when you visit Naushima. Each one offers a unique taste of Japanese culture and tradition, making your experience truly memorable. Sake, traditional Japanese rice wine, often enjoyed during special occasions and ceremonies symbolizing celebration and togetherness. Umeshu, plum wine with a sweet and tangy flavor, perfect for a refreshing drink on a warm day, especially during summer. Matcha tea, a finely ground green tea powder, used in traditional tea ceremonies and known for its vibrant green color and rich taste. Shochu, a distilled spirit made from barley, sweet potatoes, or rice, offering a variety of flavors depending on the base ingredient, making it versatile. Yuzu juice, a refreshing citrus drink made from the aromatic yuzu fruit, often enjoyed for its unique and zesty flavor, perfect for any occasion. Japanese beer, crisp and refreshing local brews, perfect for enjoying with friends at a beachside bar, especially on a sunny day. Amazake, a sweet, non-alcoholic fermented rice drink, often enjoyed warm and known for its comforting taste, especially in winter. Genmecha, green tea with roasted brown rice, offering a nutty and earthy flavor that is both soothing and unique, perfect for relaxation. Ramoon, a fizzy, fruity soda, popular among children and adults alike for its fun and refreshing taste, especially during festivals. Hojicha, roasted green tea with a toasty flavor, often enjoyed in the evening for its calming properties, making it a perfect nightcap. Naushima offers a plethora of fun and exciting activities, making it a perfect destination for travelers of all interests and ages. Whether you're an art enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or someone looking to relax, Naushima has something special for you. First up, there's the Beness House Museum, which is a unique blend of art and accommodation. Here you can stay in rooms that are themselves works of art, surrounded by stunning pieces from renowned artists. It's an immersive experience that combines comfort with creativity. You can also visit the Chichu Art Museum, an underground museum showcasing works by Monet and other artists. The museum itself is a masterpiece of architecture, designed to harmonize with the natural landscape. It's a serene and contemplative space that invites you to reflect on the beauty of art and nature. Then, there's the Art House Project, where traditional houses are transformed into art installations. Each house tells a unique story, blending history with contemporary art in a fascinating way. It's a journey through time and creativity that you won't want to miss. If you're a fan of contemporary art, the Lee Ufan Museum is dedicated to the works of Korean artist Lee Ufan. The museum's minimalist design complements the profound simplicity of his art. It's a place where less is truly more, and every piece invites deep contemplation. For a truly unique experience, don't miss the Naushima Bath Itang, an art-themed public bath. This quirky bathhouse combines relaxation with artistic expression, offering a one-of-a-kind bathing experience. It's a delightful blend of tradition and modernity. If you prefer something more active, you can rent a bike and explore the island at your own pace. Biking allows you to discover hidden gems and enjoy the island's scenic beauty up close. It's an eco-friendly way to see the sights and get some exercise. Beach activities are also a big draw. You can relax or engage in water sports at the island's beautiful beaches. Whether you prefer sunbathing, swimming, or kayaking, the beaches of Naushima have something for everyone. It's the perfect way to unwind and enjoy the natural surroundings. For those interested in local culture, you can experience traditional fishing with local fishermen. This hands-on activity offers a glimpse into the island's rich maritime heritage. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn from the locals and appreciate their way of life. Hiking is another great way to explore the island's scenic trails. The trails offer breathtaking views and a chance to connect with nature, making it a perfect activity for outdoor enthusiasts. It's a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And finally, don't forget to participate in vibrant local festivals and events. These celebrations are a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy the island's lively atmosphere. They are filled with music, dance, and traditional performances that will leave you enchanted. Naushima truly has something for everyone, from art lovers to adventure seekers, ensuring an unforgettable experience for all who visit. It's a destination that promises to leave you with lasting memories and a desire to return. Naushima boasts several stunning beaches where you can unwind and soak up the sun. This island is a perfect getaway for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. Here are some of the top beaches to visit on Naushima and nearby islands. Tsutsuji Beach, known for its clear waters and beautiful sunsets. It's a great spot for evening strolls and capturing breathtaking photos, especially during the golden hour. Gotanji Beach, a serene spot perfect for swimming and picnicking. Families often gather here to enjoy a day out by the water, making it a lively yet relaxing destination. Miyanoura Beach, located near the port, ideal for a quick dip. Its convenient location makes it a popular choice for travelers arriving by ferry, offering a refreshing start to their visit. Hanmura Beach, a quiet beach with calm waters, great for families. The gentle waves make it safe for children to play, ensuring a worry-free experience for parents. Kusama Beach, named after the famous artist Yayoi Kusama, this beach features unique art installations. It's a must-visit for art enthusiasts and those who appreciate creativity. Teshima Beach, a short ferry ride away offering pristine sands and clear waters. It's a tranquil spot perfect for a relaxing day trip, away from the crowds. Shioya Beach, a hidden gem with a peaceful atmosphere. It's less crowded, making it ideal for those seeking solitude and a quiet retreat. Uno Port Beach, a lively beach with various amenities and activities. From water sports to beachside cafes, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Inujima Beach, another nearby island with beautiful beaches and art. The island itself is a blend of natural beauty and artistic expression, offering a unique experience. Shidoshima Beach, a larger island with multiple beaches to explore. Each beach offers its own unique charm and activities, making it a versatile destination for all types of travelers. Naushima is also home to an array of exotic animal and marine life. The surrounding waters are teeming with colorful fish, sea turtles, and other marine creatures. The island's diverse ecosystems provide a sanctuary for various species, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Divers and snorkelers can explore vibrant coral reefs and encounter species such as clownfish, seahorses, and octopuses. The island's waters are also home to dolphins and whales, which can sometimes be spotted during boat tours. On land, Naushima is home to various exotic animals, including Japanese macaques and deer. Birdwatchers can spot a variety of species, from kingfishers to ospreys, making the island a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Whether you're an art lover, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, Naushima has something for everyone. Come and discover the magic of this enchanting island, where nature, culture, and art come together in perfect harmony. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.